Hi YouTube, this is Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's do, that's how they do the ASMR. So I've been ordered this. It been came a long time ago. But yeah, have y'all ever seen this guy on Facebook and YouTube? He's real popular on Facebook. His name is Darius of Darius Cooks. And this is 101 recipes for your holiday table. Darius Williams. And this one is, I got other books by him I just haven't used yet. Apply Pressure. This is a Darius Williams cookbook to teach you how to use a pressure cooker. So, I think I paid like $40 something for both of these books because he was having a sale. Starter appetizers. Yeah, why my phone trying to focus? It'll never try to do that no other time when I'm trying to record at work. The perfect cheese board. Okay. Y'all, I got on the treadmill twice today at work. Nice looking salad. Spinach salad with candied bacon. White Hennessy balsamic vinegar. Okay, just to name a few. There go the bacon, candied bacon. That's how you make the bacon. Look at that, spicy brown sugar pecans. I would leave the spice out and listen. It's cayenne, and cayenne is supposed to be good for you. Hungarian paprika, salt. What a spice! It must be the Hungarian paprika that's hot. Just spicy. Look at that. That's nice, right? Hot crab dip. Apple bacon. Garlic shrimp. Spicy mac and cheese bites. And you're trying to be bougie. Spicy and chicken meatballs, sweet and spicy meatballs, caramel apple cream cheese dip. Wow, so he gonna teach you how to make your own caramel dip. Oh wow, wow. So you know, then he got some drinks back here, cause he love to drink, y'all. Pomegranate, he love to drink. Cocktails. Oh yeah, cheesecake. Look at that. He love to drink. White Hennessy. Look at that. Apple cheesecake. This is the dessert section. Carrot cake. Ooh. Let's look at the other book. Let's put this on top of this one, like we did the other one. Now this one is about pressure cooker because he have his own cookware. He has his own aprons. He has his own pressure cooker on his website that you can go. Chicken marinara. Look at there. Chicken noodle soup, his grandmother's. I think red wine. Look at there. Cream of potato chowder. So no clams, probably not in it. Beef short ribs, pork and bacon, salmon, and cheddar. Look at this. This stuff just looks good. And he gave you 4 pages of the pictures, and look how thick the book is. 4 pages of the pictures. Not just no little bitty page up in the corner with a whole bunch of verbiage. 101 recipes for your holiday table. So, yeah. So, yeah. That's all I came here to show y'all because I worked out twice at work. I did not film myself working out during lunchtime on the treadmill, because I use that time to just meditate and pray while I was on the treadmill. I turned on YouTube and turned on like the channel where they do all of the ASMR for rain, and when it's storming, and they kept me nice and calm and cool. And then I got on the treadmill for 20 minutes and I burnt 69 calories. So 20 minutes on the treadmill only burned 69 calories. So the only thing I ate today was a pear. So all the food you eat, you cannot burn the calories for all the food that you eat. You just can't. So that's why you have to eat less and watch what you eat, so that the calories don't pile up and then you don't gain weight. So I'm learning that. So yeah, I'm on the treadmill now. I started off on the bicycle, and I started off walking outside, 40 minutes, 30 minutes a day at work during lunch. So now I also went outside. I sat outside and read my prayers in my book and meditated and things of that nature. So yeah, check this guy out on YouTube and Facebook. I love watching him on Facebook and YouTube, but he started out on Facebook, I believe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend about my channel. I love you for watching to the end. Bye. So maybe tomorrow I'll show y'all how me on the treadmill, but I doubt it.